Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to compile and execute C code in Notepad++. So for that you will need MinGW compiler installed in your system. So go to plugins, plugin admins. Here we need to install a plugin named npp execute. Select that, hit install. This will ask you to reboot your Notepad++. Hit OK. This will take a few seconds. There we go. So when you go to plugins, you will find npp execute and click on that, or either hit F6. You will find this screen is empty here. So you can copy the text from the description of the video, then hit save and put any name you want. I'll just put letter C for C programming, then hit OK, and it will run the program, and it will compile and run the program, and it will open the command window for you. So I had a program written here, and I included a library called con input-output.h, and I used an inbuilt function getch to pause the program, and it will require keyboard key hit to continue, so it won't close the command prompt window. Thanks for watching the video, guys.